Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Hammer Blade 3 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset cache partition on this device. To do it, you just need to press and hold power button, then choose power off. Press and hold together power and volume up buttons. Choose recovery using the volume up button and click on the volume down button to select recovery. Wait a while. Now press and hold power button, press and release volume down, volume up, and release the power button again. Then scroll down to choose wipe cache partition, click power button, scroll down again and choose power button again. Wait a while, click reboot system now and wait until your device reboots. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.